is Tiziana. So if you saw my last video, I said I was waiting for a few packets. So I got 2 of them. Actually, I got some of them. So I'll just open them. There are not many polishes. There's maybe 2 in each packet. So on my nails, normally I never wear red polish. But this one is a jelly, and I've been looking at it for a long time, and I always took it out and then I put it back because, you know, I'm not so much for red. I don't know, but it's really beautiful, and I did apply. You can see how liquid it is. I did apply 4 coats because it's so thin. This one is called Do You Think I'm Texy? So this was the OPI. And I bought this one. This one I bought it today. It's a cuticle oil from Jerome, and I've never tried this one, but I've tried this brand with other creams and nail stuff, and it's really, really good. It's expensive. I paid 80 kroner for this one. I'll put it here. What's in dollars? So it's the first time I buy it, but I know the brand is really good. Oh, look, what a long bottle. It's like all of my hand. It's a cuticle oil, so I'll be trying it. But the bottle is really beautiful. Wow. So I just wanted to show this first. And then I have this from Don Diva, but I don't remember what I bought because it's like more than a month ago, so I really don't remember what I bought. And I'm unpacking it now. I haven't peeped or anything. Oh, she always sends ducks. I have like a big duck and 2 small duck, and each time I get small ducks from Don Diva. I love it. So cute. Thank you very much. Thank you. I don't have one in black, so I like that. That's from her. So let's see. I'll have to go get a scissor. Oh, wow. Wow, that's so gorgeous. I love when the base has that kind of bluish base. I really love that when polishes have that, or how you say this, blue grayish base. This one is called Fish Food. Yeah, Fish Food, and it's a live exclusive. So I will swatch them when I finish unpacking them. So this was fish food. Fish food. Wow. Oh, wow. I don't have any polish like this at all. But then again, I do not have that many polishes. I think I have around, I don't know, maybe 1,000, maybe 900, maybe 900. But but I've never counted my polishes, so I don't know how many I have. So this one is called Misfit Plots and Hologram Hot Shots. It reminds me of the Sally Hansen I bought last time. It was called Hologram, something with hologram also. I love their names. It's always like weird names. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. I could just look at this like for hours. So beautiful. And the last one from Don Diva. This is a stunning green polish. If you can say green, it's got a lot of color in it. This one is called Mythical Fantasy. It's magnetic. Oh look, I forgot. You see, I didn't remember what I ordered, so I'll have to go and get a magnet. So I just grabbed this magnet. It was the closest one. Woo, woo, woo. It's like, wow. It's good. The magnetic works very well, because some polishes, you know, the magnetic nut doesn't work so good. Sometimes you can be unlucky with that. So I said that I have ordered, if you saw my last video. So first of all, if you're not subscribed, remember to subscribe if you're not already. If you like nail art and nail polish. So what I wanted to say, so if you saw my last video, I said that I had another OPI on the way. So this one is the one that arrived now. So this is this one. Yeah, I could see it peeping through, and it's so beautiful. I love this blue color. It's like really beautiful blue color. I love it. This one is called Rich Girls and Po Boys. I was really happy to find it in this shop. It's a shop I've never bought from this shop before, only because I saw this OPI. So like I said, I'll swatch them at the end. And then I bought 2 polishes from Alessandro, and I don't have any polish from this brand. I actually thought they didn't make polish anymore, because I've seen many people, you know, I've seen many beautiful polishes from Alessandro, but I haven't seen it in the shops until I found this shop. So I thought they had stopped, but I guess not. Or maybe they have, but this shop had them. So they have no names. This is just a number, 529. And look at it, it's really gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful green. It looks like a duochrome. I don't know. And I like the bottle. It's really beautiful, from this brand. And the other one is also a kind of a shimmer polish, and this has number 553, and it's also a gorgeous blue. So I thought they would be beautiful together, because in the beginning I only wanted this one, and I bought both of them. So the last polish is this one. This one is Astor Nail Artist India collection. So I bought this one. Oh wow, how much color. I bought this one because I don't have polish with square. I have many polishes with round sequins, but this one was square ones. So, and look how they shine, because not all not all sequences, nail polish with sequences have so much color. I myself have some polishes and they don't have so much color. So this one is really beautiful. Let's see how it has a rich ornament, it's called. Yeah, made in France. And that's it for this box. I also bought this, how you say, nail brush. This is a Kolinsky hair. It's a liner 5 milli. Oh, and it's a really small, thin one. I wanted the one for if I do any hand painting or reverse stamping. Yeah, you know, when you fill up the images. And then if you know Kolinsky hair, hair for nail brushes are really, really good. If I can, I only use Kolinsky brushes. And look, it's beautiful cover also. Beautiful cover. So then I bought another small packet. These are 3 Essies. They are the pop tints is like different color. So I bought the purple and the blue. No, the pink. This one is pink, blue, and then the purple. So I always wanted to try these, but I never bought them because, you know, there is always something else, and I always told myself, next time, next time. And this time, so this was the time. And I bought all 3 colors, just, you know, to try them. And you can also use them for, like I said, to fill up images. You know, when you make nail art, reverse stamping, the tints are very good for that, for kind of LED lighting. And then I have something, but this is a